Middle school facilities typically possess campuses which require communications that provide coverage between buildings as well as among floors and departments. With these facilities to manage and maintain, a two-way radio system which connects these areas would be ideal. In this situation, the Motorola CP200D radio would be a great option. This 4-watt radio would allow for optimal coverage in most cases. That being said, if these 4-watt radios are still not enough, adding a repeater would definitely help to boost signal and provide the coverage needed. With a large team comes the need to charge more radios. A multi-unit radio charger would be ideal in this situation in order to assure that the handhelds are consistently and properly charged and accounted for. Maintenance and security are other departments to talk about within school systems. Accessories, which work as great options for these areas, include the 2-wire surveillance earpiece as well as the G-Hook earpiece. Switch out these 2-wire surveillance earpieces among employees with a simple replacement clear coil and memory foam ear tip, and wipe down the G-Hook for future use. Another accessory which would benefit maintenance workers would be the CP200D shoulder microphone. With this, communication is not only hands-free, but becomes extremely efficient. Rather than having to carry a two-way radio in hand while performing tasks, a shoulder mic offers the ability to leave that radio on your hip, while simply and quickly utilizing the push-to-talk button on the shoulder microphone to transmit messages. These are extremely affordable solutions and great money savers for this type of two-way radio system. For more information on a custom communication system for your middle school facility, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.